Cogeco Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Welcome to our full review of Cogeco, a leading internet service provider in Canada. Links to the product are included in the description below for easy access. Cogeco offers a variety of high-speed internet plans designed to meet the needs of both residential and business customers, with a focus on providing reliable and fast connections. Whether you're streaming, gaming, working from home, or running a small business, Cogeco has a plan tailored to ensure your internet needs are met. One of Cogeco's standout features is its ability to deliver high-speed internet through both fiber optic and cable technology, with speeds ranging up to 1 gigabit per second, depending on the plan. This makes it an excellent choice for households with multiple devices connected at once, or for businesses that rely on stable, high-performance internet. With fast download and upload speeds, users can expect smooth streaming, lag-free gaming, and seamless video conferencing. Additionally, many of Cogeco's plans offer unlimited data, so you don't need to worry about running over your data limit, which is great for heavy internet users. Cogeco also offers strong customer support with 24/7 assistance through phone, online chat, and in-person services. Their setup process is straightforward, and they provide a Wi-Fi modem router that offers reliable coverage for both small and medium-sized homes. For businesses, Cogeco offers customizable plans with features like static IP addresses and dedicated customer support, making it a solid choice for companies that need dependable connectivity. However, there are a few drawbacks. Cogeco's fiber optic network is not yet available in all areas, so some customers in rural locations may experience slower speeds or limited availability. Additionally, Cogeco's pricing is on the higher side compared to some competitors, and their promotional rates tend to increase after the initial contract period. Overall, Cogeco is a solid choice for fast, reliable internet, especially for heavy users and businesses. While it may not be the most budget-friendly option, its performance, customer support, and unlimited data options make it a top contender. Be sure to check out the description for more information and links to get started.